Well, I've talked about using a tablet for your planning stages. But what if you don't know where your property lines are? Well, there is an app called Acres that you can use for free. When you go on it, you will have to just hit Explore because it's going to try to get you to do a subscription. And the subscription is great if you're looking at buying property because it gives you the name of the owner, the parcel number, all of that stuff so that you can do your research and see if it's something that you might be interested in. Also, it does have the 3D option, which is up here, that'll show it to you topographically. That way you can see the humps and the bumps and the low spots. Now, I do want to warn you though that the Acres app works on the tax map. So it's not going to be 100% accurate. Now, for us, the north south line, which you see, it actually shows our property went beyond our neighbor's driveway. Well, it was off about between 4 and 6 foot. Okay. Because that was where our actual property line was. And then if you've been around, you know that this is where the neighbor built a fence, and we'll go into why they didn't do it on purpose. And this, but it was off about 4 to 6 foot. Okay, for the north south line. Now the east to west line, it was off 40 foot because it shows our property line here, but it was actually here. So when we did a survey, when we were thinking about selling this place, we realized that our home was actually about 3 feet on somebody else's property, and my workshop was completely on somebody else's property. So that's what forced us to buy this field. But it wound up being okay. We gave this away to the neighbor, and then we were able to buy this. So it effectively doubled, more than doubled, our land here, which is what made it possible for us to be able to do some really cool things, I think, and building our homestead. So this will be cool, and we'll go into the planning. But the tablet is wonderful. If you don't know where your lines are, the Acres app, I'm not an affiliate, but you can download it. You can use it for free just by hitting Explore instead of getting the premium. And it'll show you close to where your landlines are. So that's kind of a neat tip.